Hi, spring is just around the corner. This cute honeybee design is in time for the beautiful season. Download link is in the description. One SVG for Cricut and one Studio3 for Cameo. Here we upload the SVG file to Design Space. It is a straightforward project. I have done all the habits to draw, create, and design the elements and layout. We have 3 layers of honeycomb, 3 layers of Be Happy wording, and 2 honeybees. All we need to do is click Make It. The file is divided in colors. There are fine details, so clean the blade is suggested. Use a spatula, gently peel off the cutouts. Put the spatula between the love heart and the hexagons. This way the hexagons will separate from the hearts easier. The wings are very fine, so peel off here slowly and carefully. The default size is the smallest I would suggest. I have tried a few times. The beads wouldn't cut well if it's smaller than this size. Here are all the cutouts. Just need to find their match and stack them together. 2 parts for the beads. Three layers for the wording. 3 layers of the honeycomb. Glue the bottom of the beads on. Glue the first layer of the Be Happy with the second layer. Flip the top layer of the honeycomb over and apply foam tape. Make sure they align, slowly attach together. Flip it over and apply foam dots. The foam dots are down now. Attach the last layer. Take time and make sure it is centered. Stack the 3 layers of the wording together. Play around, see how you like to lay it out. Once decided, apply foam dots at the back. The edge of the happy will stick out of the honeycomb, so I didn't put foam dots behind. I'm gonna put it like this. Now these 2 adorable honeybees. They are only adorable when they are not real. I will freak out if there are 2 real honeybees on my desk. Look how beautiful are these wings. The head of the bee is a bit low. I'm gonna add a foam dot at the back to fix that. Now the last bee. I don't want it to cover the dripping honey part. Here is good. How easy and beautiful is this? I have bent the wings upward just a tad. This design is great for card making and scrapbooking. It will also make a stunning cake topper. Hope you enjoyed the project. Thank you for watching.